Okay, air and water pollution. Air is composed of several gases, mainly nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and many other gases. Now, because of natural and man-made pollutants are those things that make the air dirty. It makes the air polluted. It makes it dirty. Natural pollutants are say, volcanic eruptions. When a volcanic mountain erupts, it spreads a lot of ash. Uh, it could also be forest fires and things like that, which are natural. The others are man-made. Man-made, there are many pollutants like power plants releasing a lot of smoke, factories, cars, vehicles, and burning of fuel. In developing countries, they use wood as fire, and that also pollutes. What are the problems that are caused by air pollution? Main is respiratory, meaning breathing problem. Because the air is polluted, our lungs cannot breathe properly. Carbon monoxide is released in the air from factories and uh, cars, and this is extremely dangerous gas. It's a very poisonous gas. There are also bad things released like sewage, and the air is polluted because of dirty air, dirty smell coming from sewage. The other type of gas is the CFC gas, chlorofluorocarbon, which is which was used in air conditioners. Now, of course, the government has banned air conditioners using CFC. There is also an interesting case study of Taj Mahal. You see, 20 years back, the Taj Mahal was a very neat building, but now it has become black. It has become really grey with a lot of air pollutants from around Agra. This chapter discusses also about greenhouse. Now, greenhouse is an effect when light passes through, or the sunlight passes through our Earth's shield and comes inside. Then the heat remains inside. So it is good for our existence. Otherwise, it'll be too cold for us to live. So that is the greenhouse gas, and because of certain holes in our atmosphere, the sun's rays come in with ultraviolet rays, which are dangerous to our atmosphere, and it is now heating up our Earth to a degree where a lot of damage is caused. Snow is melted, and there is a rise of sea level, and there are many other problems. Mainly, the cause is deforestation, meaning we are cutting a lot of trees and we are destroying forests, and CO2 release, carbon dioxide release from factories and all. What can we do now? We can grow a lot of trees. You can use public transport. Okay, and to reduce, we have to reduce air pollutants going into the air. Next, we'll talk about water. Because of toxic chemicals from industries, sewage, that is dirty water from our gutter, and many other water pollutants like plastic, industrial wastes, our water, our rivers are becoming dirty. There is a very good example of the Ganga project. The Ganga project wants to clean the whole of Ganga, which is extremely dirty, and so many people stay, so many cities are on Ganga that they all put in a lot of plastic and sewage and everything to make Ganga very dirty. Now we have a clean Ganga project, which is trying to clean the whole river Ganga, and these are water pollutants. Problem is that we have drinking water problems. If the water is polluted, then we'll have a shortage of drinking water. What can we really do? The main thing is 3 R's. Reuse whatever you're using, reuse it again. Don't throw away after the first use. Recycle. If there is a waste, you recycle it into something else. And the third one is reduce. That is the main thing. Reduce the use of whatever you're using. Reduce very little amount and then and don't throw it. So that is a major issue. The 3 R's. The other is you treat the industrial pollutants that are thrown into the river. Before they are thrown into river, you should treat all the waste, and you filter your gutter water before you put it into the river. So these are the main issues of air and pollution, water pollution, and I guess most of it is covered.